Children, welcome to our science session. In this session, we have to learn about that nutritious food. In the last session, we have to learn about that various types of food and what are the energy giving foods, which foods are giving energy giving foods like carbohydrates, minerals, and body building fats, proteins. These are that in that last session we have to learn. Proteins can help us to grow our bones and muscles and nails and hairs. That fats are giving to us energy. It helps us to keeping to our body warm, and we have to should take energy giving food because of we want to energy to get that energy. Which type of food we have to take it, like wheat, barley, rice, maize, like this, oats, like this. We like these food grains are we have to take it. That proteins also we have, especially newborn babies and growing boys and girls must they have to take proteins because of they have to improve their growing level. And many children like pulses, cereals, bengal gram, green gram, black gram, they have to take, must take. In this session we have to learn about that protective food. What is that protective food? అంటే కాపాడేది మన హెల్తీని కాపాడే ఫుడ్, that is protective food. That in that protective food we have to learn vitamins and minerals. What are the vitamins, what are the minerals, which one minerals, what they are giving. In this lesson we have to discuss. Just you see page number 53. In this that protective food. Yes, protective food that protect us from diseases and help us to keep our body healthy and fit. It is called protective food. Food items rich in vitamins and minerals are protective food. Vitamins and minerals help our body fight against disease and keep our body healthy. Yes, vitamins are, it is help us to vitamins and minerals, it is help us to our body fight against the diseases. అంటే వ్యాధుల నుంచి కాపాడుతాయి. వ్యాధులు రాకుండా ప్రొటెక్టివ్ ఫుడ్ తీసుకుంటే వ్యాధుల్ని మనం అవాయిడ్ చేయొచ్చు. అండ్ కీప్ అస్ బాడీ హెల్తీ, ఇట్ ఈస్ హెల్ప్ us to keep us body very healthy. Yes, protective foods means like different kinds of fruits, vegetables, seasonally fruits and pulses. In this lesson, protective vitamins and minerals needed in a small quantity by the body. They need daily small quantity of body. Vitamins and minerals we have to take small quantity every day. Then fresh vegetables and fruits, fish, eggs, meat, milk, and they contains many types of minerals and vitamins. Yes, now like I said, the fresh vegetables and seasonal fruits. Which season the fruits are coming, we have to must take that type of fruits. And vegetables, we have to take vegetable, raw vegetable, cooked vegetable. We take like salads, and we must take the vegetable soups also. Then they have to give into quantity of vitamins and minerals in every day. In that the food, minerals, vitamins giving the food is that mainly fresh vegetables, fruits, and fish, egg, meat, and milk. Milk gives us to calcium. The milk products also giving to proteins and vitamins and minerals. Especially in that minerals and proteins, calcium, iron, potassium, sodium is there. Just we have to learn first of all calcium. That is that it important mineral that makes our body, bones, teeth strong. It is very important because of our skeletal system is strong, means we have to take quantity, daily quantity, some quantity of calcium. Then it is helps to us keep our bones and teeth. It is keep our bones and teeth very strong. Because of that calcium need bones. Otherwise when we have to go to the pains are going on our body, the doctor will give to us the supplements of calcium tablets. They have to give into medicines to us. Calcium is an important mineral that makes our body, our bones and teeth strong. Milk and milk products such as cheese, curd contain calcium. Yes, milk products, milk. That's only we have to take early morning in the glass of milk. We should take that daily. We have to take some quantity of calcium to our body. And next one, iron. Iron is, it is a mineral that helps in formation of blood. blood continent తగ్గిపోతుంది. Then we have to take everyday quantity amount of iron supplements. Which fruits are, which food are giving iron? Just we have to learn. Iron is a mineral needed by our body. It helps in formation of blood. Iron is present in green leafy vegetables such as spinach and fruits such as apples and bananas. Iron is belongs to the vegetables, mainly green leafy vegetables like spinach, mint and garden leaves, totapura. They have to lot of iron will be iron supplements vegetables. And fruits, which one, such as apples and bananas. These are the some examples. That only we get some of amount of minerals to the these. We have to less of iron in our body means we have to take iron supplementary tablets. Then next one is that potassium and sodium. Potassium and sodium. They are important to are required to our body. Which one? The sodium and potassium. That the sodium is important mineral required to our body. Required to our body. Just I will show you some pictures to you in your textbook is there. Just you see in 53 page number. See, look here. This is the sources of vitamins and minerals. What are there in the picture? Fruits, vegetables, eggs, leafy vegetables, and pulses, cereals, and dairy works. Dairy products means like milk. These are the giving to us vitamins and minerals. Then we have to take some quantity of amount of vitamins and minerals in a daily. Then we have to avoid the diseases from our body. And next we have to go to that roughage of water. Roughage of water means, just you see, roughage is the part of the plant that food cannot be digested but helps into removing waste materials from our body. Roughages is the part of a plant that food cannot be digested. It helps but removing waste materials from our body. Waste food తీసుకున్న food లో waste materials ఉంటది కదా, దాన్ని roughage of water అంటారు. Roughage of food, roughage of water. Foods such as greeny leafy vegetables, carrot and cucumber contain roughage. Yes, roughage food తీసుకుంటే మనకి కంపల్సరీ డైజెస్ట్ తీసుకున్న ఫుడ్ కంప్లీట్ డైజెస్ట్ అవుతుంది. ఇన్ దట్ వేస్ట్ ఆఫ్ మెటీరియల్ దే హ్యావ్ టు roughage food we have to taken. The food we have to taken, the food will digested properly. In the digested food, after undigested food is throw outside of anus. It is helps to removing the wastage materials in our body. Which one? The roughage food. Roughage which fruits and vegetables are contains, like roughage అంటే పీచు పదార్థాలు, fiber food like cabbage, carrot, spinach, leafy vegetables. In that, water helps in digestion in removal of wastage from our body in the form of sweat and urine. Water help us in digested. And the next one is that water. They have to remove the waste material of body. Which how can they remove that? Like sweat and urine, the waste material, the form of water, they have to send it to outside our body. We should drink at least 8 to 10 glass of water in a day. Yes, we should take 8 to 10 glass of water in a day. Water helps in digested. Yes, if it's a quantity of water we have to take, that helps in digesting. What we have to take in the food, that helps into digestion process. Which one? The roughage food and water. And that they are important to us in our while we are taking. These are the important. Which one? Roughage and water. See, some fruits, vegetables most contain roughage, like fiber food, like పీచు పదార్థాలు. That is greeny leafy vegetables, carrot, cucumber like etc. These are the roughage of food. Water we should take. This helps into digestion properly. How much we have to drink in a day? We should drink at least 8 to 10 glasses in a day. that is helps to us in our digesting of food. See, I will show some pictures to you in page number 54. These are the food, roughage food, some source of roughage. Some source of roughage in that picture. What you observe that apples, grapes, cucumber, potato, cherries, tomatoes, carrot, cauliflower, and some minerals, some pulses also there. These are the some sources of roughage. And here one picture, one boy is drinking water. Water is important for proper functioning of our body, and water helps to that our body send to waste materials of that which presentation sweat and urine they have to send it to outside of the body. Then we should take 8 to 10 glasses in a day compulsory water. See, here is one activity is there. See, observe that list the various kinds of food items eaten by you as different times in the day. Identity with whether it is the energy giving food, protective food, bodybuilding food. See, observe the table. Time in a day, food items, types of food. Breakfast, afternoon, evening. What should you have to take in the food item name? And which type of food? What is that? Suppose idli you have to take in. Is it energy giving food, protective food, or bodybuilding food? Last column you should write. Type of food. What you take the food item? That is morning, afternoon, evening. Just you should write and complete that. You should send with your WhatsApp group compulsory. Some members are not sending through the WhatsApp group. Okay na? And see here last give examples of food items and contains the following. Which food have carbohydrates? Which food have fats? Which food have proteins? Do you know in the before lesson we have to learn about that carbohydrates, which one giving carbohydrates are taking carbohydrate food water such as wheat, oats, maize, rice. These are the carbohydrate foods. And fat food is that oil, sunflower oils, oil seeds like sunflower seeds they are. And protective food is that green gram, red gram, black gram. These are the protective proteins giving food. Just you write this type of table and send with the through the WhatsApp group. Compulsory should finish and send it to WhatsApp group. Thank you.